Hi, my name is Pierre-Luc, and in this video, I'll show you that with the EVO series, you're not just scanning, you're adding powerful visual insights to every project. During any workflow, documentation is often essential. With a photo camera integrated directly into the scanner, you can instantly capture part assessments, no extra equipment, no extra steps. Simply click the photo icons whenever you need to. Whether you're spotting surface defects, capturing geometric details for reverse engineering, or adding images to enhance an inspection report, each photo is automatically linked to your 3D model in the software, making documentation faster, clearer, and more intuitive. Once your scan project is completed, all photos are stored within the 3D scanning software. This step makes them easy to review and see their exact capture location in the 3D viewer. For an inspection project, you can add photos directly to the report to enhance its visual value. You can also include snapshots with color maps, entities, or notes to support your results. From inspection to reverse engineering, this HandySCAN 3D ensures clarity, traceability, and intelligent documentation all in a single device.